Hi! Today we are going to make edible paint. All you need is yogurt, food coloring, brushes, and small bowls. Let's start. Add 1 large spoon of yogurt into a small bowl. Now pour some food coloring. Then use the brush to mix it all together. Our first color is ready. Now repeat it using different colors. We made it in 3 different versions. We chose red, yellow, and blue color. So now we can create some art. The best part is you can eat it and create some art at the same time. This experience is suitable for any age group. Now your turn, make your art with edible paint. Bye!